Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Gulbarga location. It is from Karnataka. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Diageo India. They are looking for executive maintenance, electrical or mechanical. Coming to the job description, like the candidates should be maintaining asset history data and improving asset life, applying analyzing tools and ensure efficient operation and maintenance of turbine, DGs, air compressors, HVAC, STP, ETP, and industrial water supply, and incinerators, chillers, transformers, switchgears, VFDs, and the candidates be responsible for statutory compliance, adherence and monitoring, and the candidates should be document and report maintenance activities and maintaining a list of all spares available, follow maintenance strategies, procedures and methods outlined in the maintenance manual, and measure and monitor utility consumption reporting, and liaise with government regulatory authorities for license renewals, invoices, etc. And the information is given here. You please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for front office executive. This is only for females in National Public School. For this job role, female candidates only need to apply and answer or make phone calls to parents for various requirements, coordinate with principal, administrator, accountant, security, etc., and update student attendance using school software, and provide information on a variety of topics to visitors, like including rules, transport, fees, admissions, inquiry, and the day-to-day operations of the school. And candidates with corporate administrative or receptionist or a front office or admin experience are preferred. And the candidates should have excellent presentation and communicational skills, and expertise in email, Microsoft Word and Excel are required, and proficiency in English is must, and ability to speak Hindi and Kannada preferred. Coming to the benefits, like commuter assistance, and it is a day shift, and the candidates should be 1 year experienced, and the candidates should know the languages like Hindi and English, and salary will be 15,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in SSK SSPL Education and Events Private Limited. They are looking for a sales executive, and they are looking to promote the products of the company in the city. And job type is part-time, a temporary internship or commission or volunteer, and it should be walk-in. And salary will be up to 50,000 per month. And coming to the schedule, it will be day shift, Monday to Friday, and supplemental pay will be commission pay, and bachelor's degree is preferred for this job role. And coming to the experience required, like the candidates should have experience in these ones for 1 year, and coming to the language, it will be English is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Benchmark Detailing Studio. They are looking for marketing executive, and salary will be 15,000 per month. They are looking for a talented marketing executive to undertake marketing projects for the benefit of their company, and you will organize creative campaigns and promotional events that can make a difference for their company's success according to trends and customer requirements. Coming to the benefits, cell phone reimbursement and commuter assistance, and it will be day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, and they will provide a performance bonus. And coming to the education required, higher secondary education is required. Coming to the experience required, the candidates should have experience in these ones for 1 year, and the language preferred is English. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available for teacher in Baburo Maruti Workford International School, and they will pay 8,000 to 12,000 per month. They are looking for well qualified teachers who are seeking excellent communication skills in English for all subjects and have good command over the subjects. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time and walk-in, and salary will be 8,000 to 12,000 per month. And coming to the benefits, like they will provide provident fund, and it will be a day shift job role. And coming to the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred, and the experience will be 1 year of experience required. And coming to the language, like English is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.